There is a fountain in each one of us. This fountain is the source. It is limitless, it's boundless, and it constantly talks to us. The matter of importance is you have to listen to it. You have to hear that out. Because the more you listen to it, the more you will hear that it talks about the secrets of the universe, secrets about the human being, secrets of the reality and why we exist. In order to hear that out, just close your eyes for a second. Take a deep breath. Listen to it. It tells you that I am. I am is the first feeling, first thought, that is the sign of existence. But this existence is such an interesting one. It has got a holographic structure. It exists and doesn't exist at the same time. What does it mean? That it has got a reality like dreams or thoughts, almost like that. The dreams are very real when you're in them, but when you're out of them, they're gone. You don't remember the beginning of it. You don't remember the end of a dream. Dreams start right in the middle of an adventure. You just run with it, you live it, all the emotions are real, all the pain is real, all the happiness is real, but when it is done, when you wake up, it is all gone. This life is very much like that, very similar to it. It is like a dream, but it is very real to us. So once I start seeing that, I have a construct in my brain that I call me. And I really understand that if I really see my habits and patterns, and if I see why am I doing, what am I doing, my brain gets quieter and quieter every minute, every day. The quietness tells you the reality of things. Then you start seeing what is real. When you look at a flower, you see the flower without naming it, without really trying to understand it. You feel it, you are one with the flower. You are the flower, and flower is you. That means life is looking at itself through your eyes. Life sees the flower itself through your beautiful eyes. So beauty is connected. It is one. It is not the flower is beautiful. It is not yourself is beautiful. Beauty is there. It requires connection. It requires stillness and quietness. And that is full potential of your brain. Look at a flower next time with these eyes. Much love.